I'm tired already. I really want to do this. I'm not gonna win Angela down the place. Where you go? Where you go? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to be doing a hair tutorial. This hair was sent to me by Unbound Hair. It is the butterfly locks that's already done. In this pack I got 6 pack, and in each pack it has 12 strands of hair. So we're gonna be doing that today. I sectioned my head off in 3 parts. Only this that? Only this? No? Alright. By the way guys, if you are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So we're just gonna get straight into the tutorial. So this is how one pack looks. This is blonde. I think it's the color I don't remember the color, but all the information on this hair will be in my description box. And we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So I have 3 sections. This is in 2 and 1 at the back. The one in 2 now, we're gonna be sectioning off the 2 in 2. We're gonna part this in a half. Once we do that, I'll be back. So we'll part the half in a half. I don't even know if this is right. I never really get maths. I never really get maths in high school. But you know what I mean? So when I forget technical, we're gonna part the half in a half, and then the half that we part in a half, we're gonna part in a half again. Okay? I'm sorry if you guys are hearing my loud ass neighbors. I'm so sorry. I just had to be the unlucky one who just, when me I do one video, the place noisy. So well, the part is not half and a half, and come back. And some of my edges gone. Don't even mind that. Don't even pay it. Don't even. So in all guys, we're gonna have 4 sections on each side. This is 1, this is 1, and this is gonna be parted in a half. Okay guys, we'll part the last one in 2. So this is gonna be 1. I'm tired already. I really want to do this. I'm not gonna win Angela down the place. Where you go? Where you go? We're gonna be knitting up. I have my Ocean edge control. Them say earwax, but whatever. Edge control.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to.
Alright, so we're just gonna plait. Plait. Twerk. Okay, we're just gonna normal plait, guys. Normal plait. Plait it as neat as possible. Remember, this is the front of your head. When you can the business about the back, plait the front. Good. Alright, so we're not gonna plait it all the way down. Lift it a little. And then you're gonna start with this one. This is gonna go into this. So you can pull it out if it go down too much, because you're gonna put it into this one.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on remembering. like I need it. And you may have some history, but we don't have.
So guys, the front is done, and I know I look crazy, but what I'm gonna do now is to attach these canos, these, to the back. So I'm gonna cano them going back.
To repeat it, you made this mess and left me with the pieces.
So guys, now that my hair is fully braided, I'm just gonna go ahead and take some argan oil and apply that to my root just to keep the hair moisturized under this style. Okay, we're gonna move straight into the style. This is how the hair looks. I hope it fit me. This is how the hair looks. We're just gonna go ahead and pull this out so that we can get the strands. The hair does have the loop that we're gonna push through our hair. We're just gonna go ahead and push the crochet needle through. You're gonna attach the butterfly lock to the needle like so. You're gonna close it, drag it through, put back your thumb through the opening, take out the crochet needle. You're gonna put the bottom of the hair through the loop, and you're gonna just pull, and voila. And I have one so far, so we're gonna do the rest in fast motion until we're like near somewhere or near done or something like that.
Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear.
I really could not be a hairdresser because I am legit tired right now. But seriously, when I come out left the customer, I swear to God, I just left the customer in there with half our head done or how much amount done when I get tired. Jesus. So guys, I'm literally done with the top portion of my head, and we're just gonna move into the back. For the back now, you're not gonna put the crochet needle side by side. You're gonna put it downwards, and you're gonna just feel your way through and put the hair in, because if you do it side by side, big man thing is not gonna look good. So if you do it in downward motions, the hair is just going to fall on each other and have that layered look. So let's get into it. We're not got business about the back. Anybody wants to the back of where and talk? You and God can't talk about that one day.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
More sleep. That video I probably go viral tomorrow because me want sleep. I'm gonna play some PUBG. With Bungie them. See me? So guys, now that the tutorial is over, I'm just here to give my 2 cents on how I feel about this hair. So the hair is a very good texture. It's very soft. It's very lightweight. You can know that you have something on your head, definitely, but it's not too heavy. The only difficulty I have with this hair is the loops can be a little bit bigger or a bit easier to widen when you're pushing the crochet needle through. I had some difficulties with that, and nothing bad, but just for future reference, you guys can, the company, you guys can add more strands to a pack for big-headed persons like myself. My whole head is not complete. I have some left at the back that is not done, but that's okay. I'm not going anywhere. It's quarantine time. We're inside. We're not going away. But yeah, that was the only difficulty I had with the ear. The loops can be bigger and there can be more added to a pack. There's 12 strands in a pack and there can be more added. If I had spent money out of pocket and purchased this hair, would I regret it? No, I wouldn't. It's a very nice hair. I really like the hair itself. Just fix the loops, make it easier for work with people, and more strands to the pack, please. So guys, this is it for my tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like it, don't forget to show me say you like it. So smash the subscribe button, comment, and give the video a thumbs up. Share the video as well, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye baby.